So, watch 7 pound. Oh, great, that's so. Yeah.
This can cut it.
Can't cut it. Oh, it's not cut it.
Just, you have to spin it then. You have to move my hand instead of the can itself. Come on.
Yes, sir. Time for empty the piggy bank. Boy. See what the left one is. That's it. You know, me that watch one video one time where them say like you can use some nickel dime, but not dime at 10 cents, right? Or the brown one them name again, nickel?
Brown on them?
Yeah, them brown one there, what them name again?
Penny.
Penny. You can't, me not even know them, you know. Me know the 10 cent them. Dime and nickel. I don't even know which one that is.
Nickel 5 cents, dime 10 cents.
Oh, gotcha. Can me barely spend them. Me always just save them.
You can use them for what?
Them say you can use them. Like me that watch video like you can. They have some like from most of 19th century that they might look for, and you can use them and make a lot of money off of them. Me that watch YouTube video where and look how much dime they have. The pan over, a big pan over there, so full of dime.
Dime?
Nickel.
What dime are you there?
What? Penny too?
Nickel.
Yeah. Penny and nickel in there too? But me see the penny them here talk. See me get them mix up again. The penny them, like they use them can. And look how much penny me have. Me I say wait there.
That's some special one I'm gonna look for.
Yeah, some special one. But suppose me go through them there and find them. I can't reach out for them.
Yeah, rich you're there, so rich right now, man.
Me reach out, me no know.
Rich and not talk.
What do you mean?
Rich and not talk, now show it.
Yes, Jaja. Cool and yeah. Oh, it look like the pan is full, so.
Not full it.
What are the Rasta Jadis? I mean, I think the pan full of run over.
Full what?
Watch out.
One just off.
Oh my God, it feels so heavy like a dead man. Me think the pan full. Jesus have his mercy. The pan coming like in heavy like a dead man, and me think there say pan full of run over.
Silver light.
Oh my gosh, the pan heavy like lead.
You think more than this tonight too.
Oh my goodness.
We'll knock it.
Yeah.
We'll knock it on the side of the can.
Wow.
You want to make a guess how much money that's?
Last time I guess $1,000.
And it was $500.
It was $500?
And this not have so much dollar kind in it, so I'm gonna take this reach 500.
Oh really?
Okay. So I'm gonna make a guess. Me have guess 4. How much you have guess?
I get 500.
If me go closer to 4, I go. If me win, what me get?
A kiss by your jaw.
We can't get that for free.
If me win, what you give me?
If you win, you get $10.
$10? Don't want that.
Yeah, take it or leave it. If me win, what you give me?
A kiss by your jaw.
$20.
So you want to give me $10, me must get $20 what can go, so.
No.
Me nah bet.
Let's cut it.
Alright.